So you want to correct your Unit 3 exam. I'm looking at this. This is when I went to Go Formative. I took it under a pseudonym. So this is like what the Unit 3 exam looks like. Now, I didn't use the exact same that you did, but I did take one, and I missed some on purpose, and just we see what we got here. So I got 10.17 out of 18 points. What I'm looking for is I want to see, when I'm doing corrections, I want to look at what I got right and what I got wrong, and I want to fix it. So if you notice here, it says red is wrong, green is right. So I don't need to look at question 2, but I do need to look at question 1. The ones that, like yellow, that's a 7, that's part right. Orange, that's mostly wrong, and so on and so forth. So I'm looking here. Now I can edit it now. So I'd want to. So it says which angles are corresponding to angle 10. Now I put 2 and 11. So angle 10 is over here, and angle 2 is in the correct position, but 11 is actually the incorrect. So I'm going to take that out. You notice it turned yellow, which means that I got that 2 is correct. And I put 12 in, and there he is, green. Okay, so I've got that correct. So if that's one that you missed, now you know what it's like. So then I can go to any question and try to figure out what I missed. I'm looking at question 8. It says match the angles with the defined angle pair. So this is mostly wrong, so that means I got a few right and some wrong. So I'm looking, let's see what we got. 11 and 6. 11 and 6, that's not a linear pair. 11 and 6 would be same side interior. So I can switch that there. Now I look at, it's actually a little bit different color. Okay. What's angle 1 and 2 here? That's a linear pair. 11 and 6 is same side interior, so I had those two mixed up. 6 and 2, are those alternate exterior? Oh no, those would be alternate interior. So we get the idea. So I just had a few mixed up, and now I've got it correct. Okay. Now, doing corrections like this, what I'm looking for is I want to get all of them done that I can. Looks like I missed question 12, so I'd need to figure out what my answer is there. I missed question number 9. Now, something like this, I can move it around until I have it correct. Okay. The only one that you can't really do much with is question 15. That's the one that I've got a grade. I got partial credit on that one. Looks like I didn't solve it correctly, but the other questions I can just correct as much as I can. Okay. So I've corrected it. I've looked at every single question. And then I just go up to the top and I take I do like a print screen. Now I can hit the print screen button, or I can use this. There's a thing called a snipping tool. If you haven't seen this before, I can take a little picture of this, and the whole screen looks like this. And I can take a little picture of that, and I can paste that into my Google Classroom. Okay, because there is an assignment that shows up for this. This is your corrections. And I can do my corrections and I can post it on Google Classroom. So what does this mean? If you got less than a 50, you do corrections and you get it up to at least 80%, you'll get a passing grade. If we average the two grades together, you got a 60 and then you got 100, that could be an 80 for the overall grade. Corrected, unless your grade was over 85, corrections that's like the maximum cap out. So if you got a 70 and you corrected it, it goes up to an 85. Okay, it's a pretty good deal. But I need to have the corrections done before Thanksgiving, which means before right when we come back from Thanksgiving. I'm sorry. So if you do it today, you can start it today. If you can't get it done, please just do that as soon as you can. I'm not going to go back and look to see if you did the stuff here. You must turn it in to Google Classroom. Okay? So you've got to go back, go to Google Classroom to turn that in. That means I've got to go to whatever your classroom is. So say that I'm in 5th period. I click on 5th period. I go to classwork, and I see test corrections unit 3. And I go and I click on this and I attach my paper, and then I've got it. Okay? So I hope that makes a little bit of sense. Again, test corrections, this is how we do it. and post it as soon as you can. Thank you.